Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hi Colorado, this is Clee Crocker. I'm here once again at Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. This is not for a small house. This is a large 30 cubic foot refrigerator by LG. It's one of their premium craft ice French door refrigerators, and it shows extremely well. So here's some things that you should know. One, this has got a great promotion coming up that I just wanted to tell you about. This model number, I'm going to read it to you so I don't mess it up. It's LRMDS3006S. Now, what should you know about this? 30 cubic foot. The old traditional refrigerators that we saw in our houses maybe 10 years ago or more were about 25 cubic foot. So this is really, really big on the inside, but it's not so big on the outside. Now, it's not small, but on the inside, they have vacuum sealed lining, which shrinks everything up on the inside and allows you to have even more capacity on the inside than you ordinarily would with those older refrigerators that are kind of thick walled. So this doesn't have that. But some things I like about it. So on the outside, we call this a 4-door French door. So there's 1, which is a freezer behind there. 2, which is either a freezer or a refrigerator. You get to choose. 3 and 4, which is all refrigeration product on the inside. It's got one of the largest ice dispensers and water dispensers on the outside. This is a really nice design, and when you touch it, it turns on. Otherwise, the lights are off. Here it's got cubed water and crushed ice. We can control the freezer temperature, the refrigerator temperature from the outside. If it needs a new air filter or water filter, it alerts you on this unit. It also allows you to get into the Wi-Fi access, so you can be seeing alerts from your phone. You can also get service calls right from your phone. A lot of good stuff on there. One of the things that's unique about this is it's got pre-measured fills, so you could choose a 4 ounce, an 8 ounce, a 16 ounce, or 32 ounce, and it just fills it up until it gets there. That's unusual. Most refrigerators don't have that. This LG does, so kind of nice. The other thing that's kind of nice about this is you don't have to open it up all the way to get inside of it. So what that means that you can reach from the outside, click this button right here, and voila, you can access things like milk, drinks, different kind of refreshments. You can put some fruit in there, whatever you want to do. But its ideal is that it keeps the inside mostly sealed, not all the way sealed, so that you don't lose all of that air on the inside. So that's kind of nice. Down here, as I mentioned before, this is the freezer or refrigerator drawer. So if you want to keep like kids' drink box in there, you want to keep fresh fruit in there, you want to put a salad bar in here, you can do it. If you want to keep things a little colder, it gets down to -7 degrees. You can organize it by these slots here that allows you to move things around. That's very nice. If you look, a lot of freezers nowadays have this, where if you lift up this handle, these tabs push out. What that does is it allows you to pop that away from the seal. If this seal is working correctly, it should be difficult to pull this. And in some houses where you have not carpet on the floor like we have here in the store, you have tile, a good seal will actually pull the refrigerator forward. So what this does is help you to open that door, pull it out without actually pulling your refrigerator out into the kitchen. Down here we have the same kind of handle, that's why it wiggles, pops open, and here we have room for the ice. Freezer products down below. Again, stays very organized. This is America's most favorite style of freezer, so we like that. And then on the inside, right here, look how bright that is. I talk to you all the time, and today we decided to roll one of these over to the electric cord so that you can actually see it light. Anytime you have LED lights, it makes it super bright on the inside. And what's best is when those lights are at the front, because that means the fuller you get this refrigerator, the brighter it gets. Imagine you're soda on the bright can of Coke or whatever. It just gets brighter the closer it gets to the light. But this LED lighting, it lasts longer. It's more energy-wise. Everybody likes it. Back here, we have an air filter, kind of like an air filter that you have on some of your nicer cars. So inside that, you can twist it off. There'll be a little filter, and that keeps fresh air from going. It keeps it fresh on the inside. So very, very nice. We have 2 humidity control crispers. And so what that does is you can see fruits or vegetables on the inside. fruits or vegetables on this side. It's just designed to make the food last longer. And as I always say, think about your insides. Oops, it's got an alert on there. Think about the inside for that crisper, just like you do at the grocery store. The stuff that is out in the middle of in the tables of the grocery store, that's what goes in the fruit side. The stuff that's in where the rest of the vegetables are, they get showered, and that's what goes on to the vegetable side. So that gives you high humidity versus low humidity, designed to keep the food lasting longer. Now let's open this up again. Nice and bright. You can see we got all these shelves in here that we can go to, but we also have this one right here. I love this shelf. This allows you to put taller pictures in there, things that may not fit. It makes it more usable. We have split level shelving, so again, this doesn't have to be on the same level. We can actually put these in different levels in those cantilever holes in the back. So very, very nice on the inside. Beautiful refrigerator, but there's something special about this. It's called craft ice. So we have ice right here. You can cubed or crushed ice for your normal day-to-day ice. But in the bottom, we have a second ice maker, and it drops the ice right in here. And it makes ice that looks like these. So what is this designed for? Well, imagine a glass of scotch or a glass of whiskey. Some of the finer beverages that people drink, and they don't want it to get watered down. This is going to hold its cold longer than regular ice. It's also clear. It's designed to be clear ice so that you don't have sediment that's in normal ice getting in there. The way this is designed is beautiful. So these little craft ice, it's really for fine drinking. Whether you're talking about spirits or you're talking about a glass of tea, this is very, very nice and frankly high class. A refrigerator like this will actually increase the value of your home. Everybody likes it, and features like that really save you time. So I think you really like this refrigerator. So it's an LG. It's beautiful, and there's not just this one style. You can get this in stainless steel. You can get it in black stainless. You can get it with their knock-knock door that has the see-through window all the way through, or you can get a solid door just like that. So this is my recommendation this week.